in order for you to really get attention for something so private, so personal, something that is really embarrassing for many people, in order for you to be able to get that attention, a personal face, a personal brand makes a huge difference. Because we are marketers, and because we like to take advantage of the wording of things and the opportunities in the platforms, this is what I do that increases my conversion rate at least 20 to 25%. Go back to the earlier image. Go scroll up. Tap your email below. Okay, go back to that message. Tap your email below to confirm your preference. Instead of saying that, I would say something like this. So I have your email on file, and I would like to confirm it with you. Remember, we as marketers and as brands, we know we don't have this information. Yeah. Because until the customer confirms it, we don't have access to that. But right. Facebook does have it, and Messenger does have it. The user, which is about 99% of the people that are not marketers, does not even for a second think about this particular element. They are just going to be like, this is voodoo magic. Wait a second, how do you have my email on file? Whoa, like you said, it's sexy. So you can word it with good copy and say something like, I'd like to confirm your email next. Is this your email below? And then that makes it feel like, well, they already have it, so might as well just go ahead and tap it. What's the difference? You see what I mean? So you can do the same thing with the phone number. So, okay, great. Let's go ahead and confirm your phone number next. This is the one that I have on file for you. Is this the correct phone number? Tap it if it is. If it isn't, go ahead and type in your best number. If you have just that little copy tweak right there, that's going to increase your conversion rate quite a bit in that particular point. What is your marketing message?
Good question. See?
So let me tell you what I would do that I have done successfully. When I see this, I get super excited because I see your face. Like when you have a problem like anxiety, like depression, like drug addiction, these problems are very personal. And in order for you to really get attention for something so private, so personal, something that is really embarrassing for many people, in order for you to be able to get that attention, a personal face, a personal brand makes a huge difference. So when I look at this, I kind of inspires trust. I want to know more about it. Let me tell you what I would do. So you have this guy right here. Okay, his name is Mark. We need to make Mark a personal brand more aggressively. And that's how you're going to eventually build this following of people and get them into your world more easily, that then lead into webinars, coaching programs, consulting, etc., and all that good stuff. But you need to build that, and it's a long-term thing that you can do. What I would do, aside from this little tool right here that you built, which is really cool, that wouldn't be my number one driver of leads. What I would do is that I would grab your best content, and I would create, you say you already have 60 videos, I would create a mini course. And ManyChat is such a simple tool for you to be able to create a mini course without having to pay any other platform additional. Sure, we use, any of you guys are wondering, I have a program, I have a course. Mike talked about my Facebook Masters program, which is a monster of a course, 40 hours of content, 190 lessons. You're not delivering that inside Messenger. It's not happening in ManyChat. But when you have a simple thing, like a series of 4 steps, or a 5-step formula that you can do with 4, 5, 6 little videos, ManyChat is a powerful tool that you can use to bring people in a very user-friendly fashion. If you guys go to m.me/Dr. Eric Berg, Dr. Eric Berg, or if you go to m.me/the Ninja Marketer, any of these guys, Damon John, the channels that I built for Damon John, for Grant Cardone, for all these guys, I have put mini courses in place. And this becomes our number one lead magnet. And I literally call them mini courses. So for example, I can see the potential, Mark, of you doing, very specifically, a 5-step formula to handle panic attacks, to handle anxiety, to get rid of this, to address this, or whatever it is. When you do that, and you have a little video, which could be a 1-minute video that invites these people into your mini course, then you have them opt in, they come into Messenger, using ManyChat. Why Messenger? Because Messenger is the most user-friendly, no loading time, no website problems, nothing. User-friendly. They come in, and you say something like, hey, I want to thank you for your interest in my How to Handle Anxiety mini course. This is for free. It doesn't have any pitches or any offers. I'm excited about having you on board. My goal is to do this and this and that. Welcome to the course. Before we get started, I'm going to need to confirm a few pieces of information. Is this your email below? I got this number. I got this email address right here. Can you please tap it if it is? And then they tap it and you got it right there. Okay, great. So now let's go ahead and confirm the phone number. Is this your cell phone? Just tap it if it is. And then you confirm the phone number. Okay, great. Welcome to the mini course. Here we go. Here's the first lesson. And then you set it up in an automated way. So for example, what we do is that if somebody, they do the first video and we set up a time delay. And this time delay is going to wait until that person has completed to that first video and then says, are you ready for the next video? Okay, great. Click below if you're ready to start the next lesson. And then we just keep it like that. And then they go through the process.